Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by converting the snapshot into a managed disk so you can boot from it. Once done, make sure the disk's region and resource group match where you'll deploy the VM, because Azure won't attach cross-region. You need contributor or VM operator role, otherwise you can't create network or compute resources. Create the managed disk, pick an appropriate disk size and storage type. This preserves the snapshot state and gives you a proper OS disk to attach to a new VM. Once the OS disk exists, build the network and VM configuration around it. Create a VNet, subnet, NIC, and assign a public IP if you need remote access. Make NSG rules for SSH or RDP with least privilege. Next, pick a VM size that matches the OS disk and expected workload. Don't undersize CPU or memory. Then provision the VM but specify the existing managed disk as the OS disk during creation, rather than creating a fresh disk. This ensures the VM boots with the snapshot state intact. Start the VM and immediately verify boot diagnostics and the serial console to catch kernel or driver errors. Once booted, install or update the Azure VM agent and any Cloud Init tools so Azure features work correctly. This also helps with extensions and extensions health. If the VM won't boot, stop it, detach the disk, and attach to a helper VM to inspect system logs, fstab, or bootloader entries. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals misconfigured mounts or missing drivers. Fix, reattach, and retry.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.